Let's see GBPUSD this week, what has happened. And this is the first candle in this week. Compare what has happened in the previous week. The price has found great strength to push the price higher and make a breakout above 1.245 area, but then the price could not find enough strength to confirm this breakout, this bullish breakout, and the price returned back down. And the week has ended here, right here, where this where this weekly and also the monthly trend line is, and also the price on a Monday has returned back down. This was mentioned in the previous week analysis that the price could return slightly back down where the next support is, and that is the area around this level price here. This is a daily around 1.23 price level, and this is the daily demand zone where the buys are and where they have pushed the price on a Tuesday to the upside. So this small bearish candle could not stretch even more down, so the price on a Tuesday has formed a bullish candle. This is a signal that small signal, because this candle body engulfs the previous candle's body, which is a great signal for the bulls. But the next day, on a Wednesday, it is a greater signal for the price, where we can see that the price managed to move up and also close the day above this critical level, which is 1.24 resistance level, and also above this trend line, which is now acting as a support. This has continued on a Thursday, where the price has reached higher levels than the previous week, where we can see that the candle week and also Friday candle week has stretched a little bit above that and reached the highest level for this week. So after that, on a Friday, which is currently the day when the sell-off happens, when the sellers enters the trade, but most of this push to the downside is because the buyers who have entered from here and here and here and then from here have exited their trades before the weekend, and that has triggered the sell-off. So if we take a look here, this is also bearish engulfing, so let's put this one, engulfing. It is a bearish engulfing bar, and let's stretch this one more up so we can have it for the future moves. Let's see what has happened on the weekly time frame, how this looks. Oh, sorry, I didn't change text properties, visualization only on daily. Okay. On a weekly time frame, we can see that the price has formed an indecision candle after the previous week, where the bulls have pushed the price higher and closed the week above these critical levels. This week the price could not continue to move up and close the week above, but the price has gone down slightly and closed the week slightly below the open price. So this is a signal that tells us that the current price level where the price is a little bit hard to push to higher levels, and also there are the sellers that are critical. The price has tried to reach higher levels, and we can see that the price has reached this area where the 1.25 area, which was mentioned in the previous week analysis, which is a great, but from there the price has returned back down because the price has reached close to this 1.26 area where the sellers are waiting on a weekly time frame. We can see this is the critical level, and this is the area from here to here where the sellers are waiting, and also where the bulls will try to exit before the sellers trigger their sell-off. So this is the week which is indecision, and it is in between these support and resistance level, this monthly and also this weekly. So the price is in the air between these two, and it should find some kind of support somewhere. Let's see on the monthly time frame how this looks. For now, the monthly time frame looks as bullish, but we are only 2 weeks in this month, so there are 2 more weeks until the end of the April, so we need to wait what will happen. Currently the monthly time frame looks very good, it looks bullish, and if it stays above this one, which is the open price for this month, it will be great for the bulls. But let's see what could happen in the following week, and also how this looks on a monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, the critical level is the open price of this month, which is 1.232 price level. But there is also a chance that the price could return back down to reach this 1.22 price level and then find a greater support, because this is the monthly support here. But for now, we can see if the monthly time frame stays above, it will be confirmed as a bullish breakout. So the next one, as it looks, there is a possibility that the price could reach higher levels, where the next one is 1.33 price level. But before that, there are several levels that the price needs to break above, that to confirm that the bulls will continue to move and make the uptrend. We can see that the first level, where the critical level is 1.256 and also 26 price level. But before that happens, on a monthly time frame, we need to see the weekly time frames. But as it looks right now, the next week, we hope there is still an area here from here where the bulls could push the price on higher levels. Let's see on a weekly time frame, because this off indecision candle, there could be a possibility that the price could return back down and find a greater support. The next one, support for the price, is around this area here, 1.22 and 1.23. Currently 1.23 is the first one where the bulls could find a greater support. Below that, we can see that the next level is around here, 1.22 price level. But as it looks right now, I'm expecting that the price will go slightly down around 1.23 price level, and then we could see what will happen on a daily time frame. If the price stays above, this will mean that for the week, if the price stays above this one, 1.232 price level, it will be a great signal for the bulls, which means the sellers are not enough strong to push the price to the lower levels. If the price goes above, and the first level where the price needs to break on the weekly time frame is 1.25 price level. If we see price above that and close the week above this one, the next week, this will be indication that the next level is 1.26, where the bulls will try to reach and then exit from their trades, because we can see this is the downtrend trend line, and it is a great resistance, which will be in combination with this horizontal resistance make a confluence over resistance, and we can expect the sellers will enter here and push the price to the lower levels. Let's label properties, visualization only, okay, weekly. Let's see monthly, just a minute. Okay, this is not weekly, it should be a daily. Now let's see on the daily time frame. After bearish engulfing bar here, and we can see that this bearish engulfing bar is in between these support and the resistance levels, which is a not great signal for the price. It is always better to have a price action signal around currently resistance, which would indicate that the price could go down because of a strong sell-off and also bearish engulfing bar. But in this case, the price has formed this candle inside, in between the price, between the support and the resistance levels. So I'm expecting that this bearish engulfing bar has a lower strength than it should have. But I'm not ruling this out, and I'm expecting that the price could go down again to 1.23 price level and find a support again, and from there to find another push up to the upside. If the price goes down to 1.23 and doesn't stop there, the next level where the price could stop is 1.22 price level, and also this area around here, which is a demand zone. From there, the price needs to stay above to confirm still bullish mode on a weekly time frame, but from here the next level on a daily time frame is critical, this one. If the price goes down on a Monday and a Tuesday and stays above, it will be great signal for the bulls that they have managed to remain the price above, and there is possibility that they'll try to push the price on higher levels. We can see that the weekly and also the monthly time frame are in the bullish mode, but for now, and also the daily looks like that. Because of this sell-off on a Friday, we should pay attention because of the sellers who could push the price again down, and from there we will see what happens. But if the price stays here on a Monday around this 1.23 price level and continues to move up, the critical levels for the price are this one here, 1.25, and also 1.252 price level. If the price goes again above that, it will continue to move this small uptrend, and the next level where the price could go is 1.26 price level, which is the target on a weekly and also monthly time frame. So we need to pay attention what will happen on Monday after this strong bearish sell-off, and if the price manages to find enough strength, it will be a great signal for the bulls. If the price goes above, we can expect that the price will bounce from here and make a retrace, because 1.26 price level is a monthly and the weekly resistance level, and it is a confluence of resistance which will trigger a sell-off where the price could go down slightly, at least to 1.245, which is the first support on the chart. So let's see what happens on a Monday, which is always a critical level and also critical day for the price, where traders set up their trades for the rest of the week. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.